Greetings, friends and blends. Welcome to the Church Along channel. I'm Frugal. Here you will find me gradually trying to traverse to the Heru, that is the Japanese language. I'm pretty economical, so I'm trying to do it with resources that are totally free on the internet. This video is about day 115, and I'm reading an article from New Web Easy. On this website, they took actual Japanese news article, simplified the language, added audio and vocabulary support, all in order to make it easier for language learner. So I will get to practice my reading skill while also learn something new about the Japanese culture at the same time. Today's article is about Hina Ningo, with the first kanji mean human and the second kanji mean shape or form. Ningo, literally human shape, is the Japanese word that means doll or puppet. A Hina doll is a traditional Japanese doll typically made of ceramic or porcelain and are intricately designed to depict the emperor and empress of Japan, along with their attendant and servant. They are used as charm to ward off evil spirit. This is the title. So, the Hinado festival is very soon. 1,500 Hinados are to be displayed. The Hinado festival, or Hina Matsuri, also known as Girls' Day, is an annual festival in Japan held to celebrate the health and happiness of female children and femininity in general. The main focus of Hina Matsuri is the display of ornate dolls which are placed on a tower or a stand that look like a staircase. With about 11 new vocabularies, I actually had a pretty rough time reading today's article. Particularly, some sentence describing the dolls displays was confusing. There were some other parts that stood out as well. Online shaming. Yes, you heard that correctly. Thus, to be clear, today's article is still about the Hinado festival and there is no actual online shaming involved. However, Matsuri, the Japanese word for festival, for some reason, has the colloquial meaning of harassment by an internet mob. So, without meaning to, I have just learned my first Japanese internet slang, a staircase like tower. It is mentioned in the article that the Hinadon are displayed on a 7-meter high tower that looked like a staircase. The Japanese phrase is Takasa Nana Meteru no Kaidan no Yo no Dai. So this is how you say something look like something else. The use of the yo is very important. Kaidan is a staircase plus the no particle plus the almighty yo, which means the appearance of, and we got look like a staircase. Then we add na and then add dai, the tower, to get to a tower that look like a staircase. So to have the property of looking similar to something work like a na adjective. Kimono. With today's article, I learned how to write kimono using kanji. Up until now, my personal impression of the kimono is that they have rather colorful design and a feeling of delicacy, so I thought it is closest for wealthy people. However, kimono is actually written with the kanji for wear and the kanji for stuff. So kimono is just stuff that you wear. It gives a very comfortable and frugal feeling. So from now on, for me, kimono means Asian Japanese casual clothes to decorate and to exist. Throughout this article, the verb kazaru get used a lot of time. Kazaru means to decorate, to display, or to exhibit. In the context of today's article, it means to display. To display the door or the staircase like tower. There's one instance that kazaru is linked together with aru, to display and exist. The full sentence is like this. Look to me like with or without aru, the meaning of the sentence doesn't change. I noted it here because it's a point of grammatical significance that goes over my head completely. Health. With today's article, I also learned health. Genko, which is another different shape of meaning from the word like genki, karada, and daijoubu. The first kanji means health, strength, which is written with the right hand for a person, and the part that means build. Right, so my mnemonic for the kanji is a person can build up their strength by eating healthy food and persist in doing exercise. Yeah, that's pretty normal so far. The second kanji means ease. Peace is written with the right hand for a cliff, and the part that means slave. Yeah, that's escalated quickly. Did ancient Japanese have practice involve the sacrifice of slave or something? Uh, anyway, my mnemonic for the kanji is calmly slave rest in peace under the cliff. The call from calmless is the sound mnemonic. Yeah, not very elegant. Sorry. Okay, next is just me reading the article out loud to get some speaking practice. Mosugu Hina Masuri Sengo Yaku no Hina Ningo o Kazaru Sangatsu Mikawa Hina Masuri no Hi desu Hina Ningo o Kazate o Iwai Shimasu Saitama gen Konosu shi de wa Mukashi kara Hina Ningo o Takusan Sukute imasu Konosu shi no Dandai wa Maitoshi Shoppingu Senta ni Takusan no Hina Ningo o Kazate imasu Takaisa Nana meteru no Kaida no yo na Dai ni Sen gohyaku rai no Hina Ningo ga Kazate atte Dono Hoko kara mo Ningyo o miru koto ga dekimasu Ningyo wa iroiro na Tokoro kara Okute moraimashita Mini kita hito wa Kere na kimono o kita Hina Ningo o Dai no ie no ho made Mitari shashi no Tottari shite mashita Kodomo to Isho ni kita Yosei wa Takusan atta Bikkuri shimashita Kazoku no Kankoto Shingata coronavirus no Byoki ga Naku naru koto o Onegai shimashita To hanashite mashita Hina Ningo wa 3月4日まで見ることができます And that's the end of the article. No problem finding an English source specific about today's topic, which is the Hina festival that are held at Konosu city of Saitama Prefecture. Other cities in Japan actually hold their own event with their own unique drone display, which are also very pleasant to look at. And that concludes my 115 days of Japanese study. For everybody that watched until this point of the video, a big 7-meter high tower that looks like staircase, thank you to you. And I wish you a lot of help. Provide that said help doesn't come with the cost of untold number of slaves, of course. It doesn't, right? Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye for now.